In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out using the Keypad and draw.io for Confluence and Jira. If you work with diagrams regularly, being able to quickly adjust your zoom level can make editing much easier. It helps you get a closer look at small details when you need precision and then zoom back out again to see the full layout of your diagram. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to access the diagram editor and use the keypad shortcuts to zoom in and out. To begin, open the page that contains your draw.io diagram inside the editor in Confluence or Jira. Once you're on the page, click on the diagram itself. When you select it, a floating toolbar will appear. This toolbar gives you quick access to actions related to that diagram. From the floating toolbar, click the edit icon. This will open a pop-up window containing the draw.io diagram editor. Make sure the editor is fully open before trying the keyboard shortcuts, since the zoom commands need to be used while the diagram editor is active. Now that you're inside the diagram editor, you can use the numeric keypad on your keyboard to control zoom. If you're using Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and the numpad plus key to zoom in. This is useful when you want to focus on smaller shapes, text, connectors, or alignment details. To zoom out, press Ctrl and the numpad minus key. That allows you to pull back and see more of the diagram at once, which is especially helpful when working on larger diagrams or checking overall spacing. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is slightly different. Press Command and the numpad plus key to zoom in. To zoom out, press Command and the numpad minus key. The behavior is the same, so the only difference is the modifier key you use. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that these shortcuts use the numeric keypad specifically. So if the shortcut doesn't seem to work right away, check that you're using the keypad version of the plus and minus keys, not the standard keys at the top of the keyboard. It's also a good idea to make sure the draw.io editor is selected and active when you try the shortcut. And that's it. Once you know these keyboard shortcuts, you can move around your diagram more efficiently and edit with better control.